Oh, no. Ouch.
They need Get-A-Grip, the remarkable new handle that attaches in seconds with no tools to any smooth surface. And it's so strong. Watch how strong. We made a utility ladder on this yacht, and it easily holds this full-grown man. Wow, that's strong. Here's how it works. Just place the Get-A-Grip handle on any clean, smooth surface. Then click the Get-A-Grip switch, and it's instantly locked and secure. Just lift and unlock the switch to release, making it easy to adjust to the perfect position. Getting in and out of the tub has never been more comfortable, and hopping in and out of the shower couldn't be easier. And for those tired backs, sitting and standing's a breeze. It even makes a great access handle for boats and RVs. Use it anywhere you need temporary assistance. Drilling can damage expensive tile, but Get-A-Grip snaps right on. And since Get-A-Grip is as easy to remove as it is to install, you can take it everywhere. Use when visiting and in hotels. Even lift a glass tabletop for easy cleaning. Order Get-A-Grip